Have you ever experienced that frustrating feeling where your brain feels like it's stuffed with cotton? You can't think clearly, you forget simple things, and your doctor says, well, that's because you're getting older. Let me give you this ADHD medication. I'm sure that will help. But what if I told you brain fog isn't normal? And more importantly, it's fixable when you address the root causes. My name is Dr. Thomas Rofrano from the Natural Medicine Clinic in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, and author of The Free Diet. And most of my new patients come in with gut or thyroid issues, and brain fog is a common symptom that they report. So we're going to go over common causes of brain fog and how to fix it. If you find this information helpful, please like and subscribe so more people can see this video. The 5 causes of brain fog are deficiencies, especially B12, folate, and iron, toxins like arsenic, mercury, lead, and mycotoxins, food reactions, especially gluten, infections like candida and bacterial overgrowth in your gut, and hormonal imbalance, thyroid, adrenals, and others. So I'll go over an example of this. A recent patient came in with brain fog, fatigue, anxiety, depression, abdominal bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and many other symptoms. She had the usual testing with her doctors and nothing showed up. So when we did more comprehensive testing, it showed she had bacterial and yeast overgrowth in her gut, leaky gut, gluten, and other food sensitivities and allergies. So when you have this going on in your gut, it can cause deficiencies from malabsorption, and she had low vitamin D, folate, B12, omega-3 fats, all very important for brain function. And then when you have deficiencies, that can affect your hormones. So she had below optimal thyroid and adrenal function. It's important to note her prior TSH and T4 tests were normal, but when you get a more comprehensive look, TSH, free T3, free T4, reverse T3, thyroid antibodies, she clearly was showing below optimal thyroid function, which is a primary cause of brain fog. So in creating solutions for this, we focus on gut health. I put her on an anti-inflammatory diet and the proper supplements, which I'll go over shortly. And after 3 months, came in and her brain fog was so much better, as were the following: her gut symptoms, fatigue, insomnia, depression, anxiety, all doing much better. And her TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, was in optimal range now. So how we accomplished that was with the Free Diet. It's a diet I came up with years ago when I was dealing with my own autoimmune Hashimoto's and rheumatoid condition, IBS, fatigue, and other health issues. With that, I was able to get better. And it's a diet that's free of not only gluten, but gluten, grains, sugar, yeast, dairy, eggs, soy, legumes, nightshades, processed foods, all those foods most commonly responsible for inflammation, gut, thyroid, and other chronic health issues. If you'd like a copy of the Free Diet Phase 1 food chart, we'd be happy to send that to you. We'll put a link below. And I put her on the proper supplements, which included the Functional 5, Multi-Fish Oil, Vitamin D with K, Magnesium, Probiotic, other gut supportive supplements, curcumin, B12, folate, and other nutrients she was low in. With that, she was able to get better, heal her gut and thyroid, replenish her nutrients, and eliminate her brain fog and fatigue and other symptoms. So if you're suffering from brain fog or other chronic health issue, get the proper testing first. Because if you find out the root causes and are provided the right solutions, I believe almost anyone can get better. Thanks for joining me today. I'll put a video that goes into the Free Diet in more detail here, the Free Diet Phase 1 food chart below. Feel free to like and subscribe so more people can see this video, and I'll see you next time.